Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Apna Tutors. Okay, so this video will be the last video for this chapter and for this particular exercise 3.3. Okay, so before starting this video, I want to recall some concepts related to symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. These concepts we did in introduction part in detail, but now I want to recall it as this is very important and related to these questions are there in this video, and in fact this is very important for the exams also. There will be surely one question of this type, which type I will tell you, what I want to tell you. Okay, so what I was saying that let A be any square matrix. Then A can be written as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. That is, A can be written as sum of one symmetric and another skew symmetric matrix. Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. How can we write it? I will show you. तो अपने क्या करते हैं कि A को मैं कुछ इस तरह लिखता हूं, 1/2 A प्लस A ट्रांसपोज, A प्लस A ट्रांसपोज प्लस 1/2 A माइनस A ट्रांसपोज. आप इसको सिंप्लीफाई करिए तो आपको देख पा रहे होंगे कि 1/2 A प्लस 1/2 A होगा और A डैश कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. या सो A को मैं ऐसे लिख पा रहा हूं और मैं बोल रहा हूं कि ये पार्ट मेरा सिमेट्रिक होगा और ये पार्ट मेरा स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक होगा. नाउ यू विल आस्क व्हाई इट इज सिमेट्रिक एंड व्हाई इट इज स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक. This I had covered in introduction part, but still I will give you some idea why it will be symmetric. Suppose, so now if you want to show this symmetric, तो symmetric बताने के लिए अपने को क्या करना होता है कि वो मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज सेम एज वो मैट्रिक्स मिलना चाहिए. तो सपोज मैं ये मैट्रिक्स को अगर मैं B बोल दूं और ये मैट्रिक्स को मैं अगर C बोल दूं, तो B मेरा क्या है, मेरा B ट्रांसपोज क्या होगा, 1/2 A प्लस A ट्रांसपोज का ट्रांसपोज, राइट. सो ट्रांसपोज में स्केलर तो कॉमन निकल जाता है, स्केलर तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता स्केलर से, और A प्लस A ट्रांसपोज. अब बताइए मुझे A प्लस B ट्रांसपोज क्या होता है, A ट्रांसपोज प्लस B ट्रांसपोज, राइट. तो दिस विल बी A ट्रांसपोज प्लस B ट्रांसपोज, B है A डैश, सो A ट्रांसपोज. अब आपको और एक चीज पता है, A ट्रांसपोज इज A, so this will be 1/2 A ट्रांसपोज प्लस A which is B, right. B क्या लिया था अपने, 1/2 A प्लस A ट्रांसपोज, जो अपने को इधर मिल गया 1/2 A प्लस A ट्रांसपोज. तो अपने ने क्या बता दिया कि B ट्रांसपोज इज सेम एज B, राइट. तो ये सिमेट्रिक हो गया. सिमिलरली आप इसको स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक बता सकते हैं, ये आपका होमवर्क है कि आप इसको स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक कैसे बताएंगे. वो भी बस सेम वे करना है और -1 कॉमन ले लेंगे तो वो स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक हो जाएगा. तो इधर अपने ने क्या बताया कि कोई भी मैट्रिक्स को अपने उसको सिमेट्रिक प्लस स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी है फॉर योर एग्जाम. आपको क्वेश्चन दिया जाएगा, आपको कोई मैट्रिक्स देंगे, आपको बोलेंगे कि उसको सम ऑफ सिमेट्रिक एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक के फॉर्म में लिख के बताइए. तो आप कैसे लिखेंगे, आपको जो ए मैट्रिक्स दिया होगा तो आप A प्लस A ट्रांसपोज बाई 2 फाइंड करेंगे, वो आपका सिमेट्रिक पार्ट होगा, और A माइनस A ट्रांसपोज बाई 2 फाइंड करेंगे, वो आपका स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक पार्ट होगा, राइट. तो ये हो गया थोड़ा रिकैप ये वीडियो के पहले. तो चलिए अब क्वेश्चंस करते हैं, राइट. ये मुझे बताना था बिकॉज ये काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है. So if someone is watching my video first time, who haven't watched the introduction video, they can also get some help by this. Okay, चलिए, तो ये 8th क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है कि for the matrix A, verify that A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix and A minus A transpose is q symmetric matrix. राइट मैंने आपको अभी बताया कि 1/2 इंटू ए प्लस ए ट्रांसपोज सिमेट्रिक होगा, तो ऑफकोर्स स्केलर मल्टीप्लीकेशन से कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, राइट, ट्रांसपोज की प्रॉपर्टी में और सिमेट्रिक और स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक की प्रॉपर्टी में. ओके, सो अपने को बताना है कि ए प्लस ए ट्रांसपोज सिमेट्रिक है, ए माइनस ए ट्रांसपोज क्यू सिमेट्रिक है. मैं एक पार्ट करता हूँ, दूसरा पार्ट आप करिएगा. मैं ये पार्ट करता हूँ, सेकेंड पार्ट. तो ए माइनस ए ट्रांसपोज को मुझे स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक बताना है. तो ए माइनस ए ट्रांसपोज फाइंड करते हैं. अपने क्या दिया है, 1 5 6 7 माइनस ए ट्रांसपोज क्या होगा इसका 1. अब मैं बार बार नहीं बताऊंगा ये ट्रांसपोज कैसे फाइंड करते हैं. रोज को कॉलम में चेंज कर दीजिए. रो 1 कॉलम 1 हो जाएगी, रो 2 कॉलम 2 हो जाएगी, रो 2 कॉलम 2 हो जाएगी. तो ए माइनस ए ट्रांसपोज क्या होगा, 1 माइनस 1 0, 5 माइनस 6 माइनस 1, 6 माइनस 5 1, 7 माइनस 7 0. तो क्या ये मेरा सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स, क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स है. अगर मैं इसमें से ये इसको मैं अगर बी बोल दूं, राइट, ए माइनस ए ट्रांसपोज को अगर मैं बी बोल दूं, तो इसको मुझे स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक देखना है. तो उसके लिए मुझे क्या होना पड़ेगा, मेरा बी ट्रांसपोज को होना पड़ेगा माइनस बी. तो पहले देखते हैं बी ट्रांसपोज क्या होगा. So B transpose will be change row into column. So first column will be 0 minus 1. Second column will be 1 0. If you take out minus common, that is multiply every element with minus, what it will be, 0 minus 1 1 0, which is B, right? So it will be minus of B. So we got B transpose equals to minus B, which implies what was B? B was A minus A transpose. So we got A minus A transpose is Q symmetric matrix. Therefore, A minus A transpose is Q symmetric matrix. So we are done with this question, right? Now I will try to do it quickly, otherwise this video will be so long. Okay, so next question is, find 1/2 of A plus A transpose and 1/2 of A minus A transpose. This question is your homework. You have to do nothing. You are given with A, you find A transpose. Maybe it will be, yeah, so this matrix is Q symmetric. So when you will add A plus A transpose, what will happen? What will be A transpose as this is Q symmetric? It will be minus A. So you will get 1/2 A transpose will be minus A. So this part you will get it as 0. And this part what you will get? 1/2 A minus of minus A. So it will be 1/2 A plus A. So it will be 2A upon 2. That will be 2. So this part you should get it as A and this part you should get it as 0, right? So you verify these things. Okay, I had given you theoretically how it will be 0 and how it will be A, but you should verify with this matrix, why it will be 1, why it will be 0 and why it will be A. Okay, so I am doing next question, which is very important. Okay, so this is the important one. Express the following as the sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. I told you, right, how to find symmetric part and skew symmetric part of any matrix. You should write matrix as 1/2 A plus A transpose plus 1/2 A minus A transpose. Then this part will be your symmetric and this part will be your skew symmetric, right? So you have to find A plus A transpose by 2 and A minus A transpose by 2, and adding that you will get A. So I will be doing first and second, third and fourth you do. Okay, first I am doing it here. So I am given with A equals to 3 5 1 minus 1. So what will be A plus A transpose? It will be 3 5 1 minus 1. A transpose will be 3, 1, 5, minus 1. 3 plus 3, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 1, 2. Let me verify again. 3 plus 3, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 5, 6. Minus 1 plus minus 1, minus 2. In fact, you are able to see this is symmetric, right? Yeah. A plus A dash will always be symmetric. We did in question 8 also. A plus A dash by 2. We want A plus A dash by 2, right? So it will be multiplying every element by 1 by 2. So it will be 3, 3, 3 minus 1. Now similarly, let's find A minus A transpose by 2. So it will be 1 by 2. A minus A transpose 3, 5, 1 minus 1. Minus of A transpose 3, 5, 1 minus 1. So it will be 1 by 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 1 4. 1 minus 5 minus 4. Minus 1 minus minus plus 1 0. You are able to see, right? This is skew symmetric. Now what will be this? 0, 2, minus 2, 0. Now you are able to see that A is equals to, this is symmetric and this is skew symmetric. So A can be written as A plus A transpose by 2 plus A minus A transpose by 2. This is symmetric part and this is skew symmetric part. So you have to do this in this type of question, and this type of question is very, very important for your exam. Okay, now I will be doing second part. Okay, I have pasted here also. So what is second part? A is given as this. So let's find A plus A transpose divided by 2 quickly. 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3. Now you tell me what will be A transpose. You should pause the video and try what will be the A transpose. So A transpose क्या होगा? रो को फर्स्ट रो को कॉलम में लिखिए पहले 6 minus 2 2. फिर सेकंड रो को सेकंड कॉलम में लिखिए -2 3 -1. फिर थर्ड रो को थर्ड कॉलम में लिखिए 2 -1 3 होल डिवाइड बाय 2. चलिए जल्दी से कैलकुलेट कीजिए. 1 by 2, 6 plus 6 12, -2 -2 -4, 2 plus 2 4, -2 -2 -4, 3 plus 3 6, -1 -1 -2, 2 plus 2 4, -1 -1 -2, 3 plus 3 6. Are you able to see? Is this symmetric? Yeah. Diagonal doesn't matter in symmetric. Yeah, but in skew symmetric it matters. That in skew symmetric diagonal will always be 0. So this matrix will be 12 by 2 6 because it is scalar multiplied by matrix, so it will be multiplied with every element. 12 by 2 6, -2 2, -2 3, -1. Hope so I am not doing any mistake. 2 -1 3. Let's verify it again. 12 divided by 2 6, -2 2, -2 3, -1 2, -1 3. Yeah, so this is correct. Now A minus A transpose divided by 2. Let's write it quickly. A is 6 -2 2 -2 3 -1 2 -1 3 minus what is A transpose 6 -2 2 -2 3 -1 2 -1 3. In fact, this matrix is itself a symmetric matrix, so you could have directly wrote this as you got it here, same matrix, right? A. So you could, I will tell after calculating everything, I will tell what I am trying to say. Okay, so this will be 6 minus 6 0 minus 2 plus 2 zeros, everything will be 0. So A can be written as A plus A transpose by 2 plus A minus A transpose by 2. This is your symmetric part and this is your skew symmetric part. Okay, so you got symmetric part, and because this is skew symmetric, right? Zero matrix. I am writing 0 here. That will mean zero matrix. Okay, and you know what is zero matrix? Every element of that matrix is 0. So that will be skew symmetric also, right? So this part is symmetric and this part is skew symmetric, right? Okay, now I will tell you what I was saying. I was saying this matrix is symmetric. That is A equals to A transpose. So you can write A as A plus 0 matrix. This part is symmetric and this part is skew symmetric, right? So when any matrix is symmetric or skew symmetric, you can add 0 matrix and you can write it as symmetric plus skew symmetric sum. So this was symmetric, but still I have gave you method that I have also calculated by the method which should be followed. So in this third question and fourth question, you do it by same process, finding A plus A transpose by 2, then A minus A transpose by 2, and you will get your symmetric part and skew symmetric part. This question, in fact, this whole chapter is very easy. You should do practice only, then your every marks is in your hand only. No one will be able to take it. Okay, so question 11, what it is saying, if A and B are symmetric matrix of the same order, so you can carry out addition, you can carry out multiplications, difference or whatever, then you have to find AB minus BA is symmetric, skew symmetric, identity, or 0 or what. So let's first check it. They are saying to identify whether it is symmetric, skew symmetric, right? So for that, what we do, we need to find their transpose and see whether it is same or minus sign or something or what. Are we getting something or not? So what will be this? If I take transpose of this, so it is of type A plus B transpose, so it will get splitted. A transpose, in this way, let it be little a and let it be little b. So little a minus little b transpose will be little a transpose minus little b transpose, right? This is the property of the transpose. Now what will be A into B transpose? It will be B transpose A transpose. And what will be B A transpose? I am not repeating properties, okay? In previous video only I had give you quick recap, and in introduction video I have shown in everything in detail. What will be B A transpose? It will be A transpose B transpose. Now what it is given? A and B are symmetric matrix. What does this mean? A transpose equals to A and B transpose equals to B, right? So here B transpose will be B, A transpose will be A, minus A transpose will be A, B transpose will be B. So what you got, if you take out minus sign common, AB minus BA. So you got AB minus BA transpose as same as minus time of AB minus BA, which shows that AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, I will repeat what I did in this question. We needed to find, okay, so what we needed to do, that अपने को फाइंड करना था कि AB माइनस BA सिमेट्रिक है या स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक है. तो वो कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? सिमेट्रिक और स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक में क्या होता है, पहले ट्रांसपोज फाइंड करते हैं, देखते हैं कि क्या उसका ट्रांसपोज सेम एज वो मैट्रिक्स मिल रहा है या उसका माइनस साइन मिल रहा है, तो यही वो सिमेट्रिक या स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक होगा. तो मैंने AB माइनस BA लिया, उसका ट्रांसपोज फाइंड किया, जो मुझे प्रॉपर्टीज है वो ट्राई की अप्लाई करने की. सो क्या किया, A प्लस B ट्रांसपोज अप्लाई किया, फिर मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्रांसपोज अप्लाई किया. फिर नोटेबल थिंग थी कि मुझे कुछ गिवन था कि A एंड B आर सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स, बस यही चाहिए था मुझे, तो वो मैंने अप्लाई किया. सो मुझे क्या मिल गया, बी ए माइनस ए बी। तो ये मुझे दिख रहा है कि अगर मैं माइनस कॉमन ले लूंगा तो ये मेरा वापस ए बी माइनस बी ए हो जाएगा। तो ये शो करता है कि ए बी माइनस बी ए का ट्रांसपोज इज माइनस टाइम ऑफ ए बी माइनस बी ए। वही तो होता है सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स की डेफिनेशन। तो हो गया ये क्वेश्चन, दैट्स व्हाट। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। If A is this matrix and A plus A transpose equals to I, then what will be the value of alpha? Okay, they are asking then A plus A transpose will be I if the value of alpha is. So what should be the alpha for which A plus A transpose is I? Okay, so A is given. Let's find A transpose. It will be cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Now add A plus A transpose. So this is MCQ, so I am doing it roughly. Cos alpha plus cos alpha 2 cos alpha minus sin alpha plus sin alpha 0, sin alpha minus sin alpha 0, cos alpha plus cos alpha 2 cos alpha, and this is given to be identity, that means 1 0 0 1. So 2 cos alpha equals to 1, which implies cos alpha equals to 1 by 2. So you should take alpha equals to pi by 3. So you got your answer. Your alpha will be pi by 3, right? For alpha equals to pi by 3, you will get cos alpha equals to 1 by 2. So we are done with this. Okay, now there is one more exercise in which only one question is there. That is one MCQ. And in that also there is nothing there, only definition of the invertible matrix is written. I have told you in introduction part what is invertible matrix. Invertible matrix. Let A be any matrix. Let A be invertible matrix. Okay, let me write it like this. Let A be any matrix, then we know that A is invertible if and only if there exists some matrix B, for which first of all it should be square matrix. Okay, let A be square matrix. Then A is invertible if and only if there exists B. This is also square matrix. There exists square matrix B for which AB equals to BA equals to I. If you are able to find such matrix B, then A is called invertible matrix. Did you got it? And this is what written in that MCQ. They have given you that definition of invertible matrix only. You do it. If you are not getting, then please comment it. I will solve it. I will make one separate video for that, one short separate video. Okay, so you got it right. What is invertible matrix? For A should be any square matrix, then A is called invertible if and only if there exists some square matrix B for which AB should be equals to BA should be equals to identity, and you know what is identity matrix. Yeah, so that's it for this chapter. So what we did in this chapter, first we had did about equality of matrix, then we went to the addition, then we had studied about properties of addition and various sum related to that. There they can surely ask about verification of that properties, addition of properties. Then we move on to the transpose and symmetric part. In this exercise only, transpose and symmetric part, there we had covered first of all properties of transpose, that are also very important. In fact, I am telling you, whatever properties are there in this chapter, you should try to remember it as okay, because there are high chances that from which question can be asked. Of course, they will not ask proof of the property, but yeah, they will ask you to verify the properties by giving some matrix or something. Then we move on to the symmetric and skew symmetric part, and today we had covered the most important part of this chapter. Yeah, so this is what it is in this chapter. Hope so you liked it. Hope so you are liking my teaching. If you are getting some lag, please mention it. I will surely try to improve on it. So we'll see which next chapter we are going to start. Yeah, till that, keep practicing hard.